So what's the delay? Bay Area families say the feds and 2 national pharmacies are way behind on their promise to vaccinate seniors at long-term care facilities. Our investigative unit spoke to experts who say local leaders and hospitals need to intervene or more lives will be lost. Investigative reporter Candice Nguyen.
The federal government partnered with CVS and Walgreens to go into thousands of facilities nationwide and vaccinate seniors. CVS has completed 3% since December in a process that's being called a slow-motion train wreck.
She has spent her whole entire life taking care of others.
Lisa Arnett says her mother lives for these moments with her grandkids.
Her main thing in life is that she wants to be with family, and she loves babies.
But she's frightened of the life that's leaving her mom, she says. She's been isolated at this San Jose assisted living facility since March.
And it's now gotten to the point where she has completely lost touch with reality.
Her mom has respiratory issues and is at the top of the list to receive the COVID-19 vaccine.
She doesn't understand who the people in her life are anymore, and she's lost the will to live.
In October, some hope. The feds contracted with CVS and Walgreens, saying the pharmacies will go into long-term care facilities and administer the vaccine. In December, Governor Newsom said California signed up, and through that federal contract, vaccinations on first-tier residents would start right away.
And it didn't happen. And there was no communication as to why it wasn't happening.
So we call and say, hey, what's going on?
Lauren Zimmerman Cook with AEC Living, an Alameda assisted living facility, says she's experiencing the same delays with CVS and the federal rollout.
Oh, no, don't worry. You'll get your, after December 28th. And the email back was, oh, no, now it's going to be late January, early February.
CVS says it started vaccinating at nursing homes on December 28th, then assisted living facilities on January 11th. On Tuesday, CVS says it vaccinated at 3% of all facilities it's assigned to and is on track to meet program commitments.
That's not right.
But Cook doesn't think so. She got this voicemail saying she couldn't schedule anything until maybe March.
No clinic date has been set up yet. In fact, none of the facilities that I'm aware of or communities have had dates set up. But we understand that probably the end of February, beginning of March.
Quite literally, I cried.
Since Christmas alone, more than 1,000 residents in long-term care in California have died of COVID.
Mike Dark and Nicole Howell work to support senior homes. They say these widespread delays show the federal government can't handle this on their own.
We need local public health. We need some of our healthcare entities like Kaiser and John Muir and Stanford Health and Sutter and all of those people to sort of be a part of this solution.
But Arnett says her mom's hospital seemed oblivious to the problem based on this message.
If Ms. Podleski is at a residential facility, they are able and are giving out the vaccine to residents, and that's who definitely you need to speak with.
And either he's patronizing me or he doesn't know. And how can a major medical facility not know that there is this emergency out here and elderly are not getting the vaccine?
For nearly a week, our investigative unit reached out to the CDC, California Department of Public Health, and several Bay Area counties. No one could tell us how many long-term care residents have been vaccinated, all while major outbreaks are happening at senior homes. More than 5,000 nursing home residents and 6,000 staffers in California have the virus right now. Nearly 8,000 residents have died.
The pharmacy program has not been working out. We should all understand this isn't a question of inconvenience. This means thousands more people will die than need to.
Arnett says her mom's facility just had an outbreak, and she needs the vaccine to not just save her life, but to restore what gives her life.
2 new great-grandbabies born in 2020. She said to me, I am mourning the loss that I will never be able to rock those infants.
Walgreens wasn't involved in the cases we looked at, but we have emailed them. Vaccination dates have been confirmed at the facilities we spoke to, but after we reached out to CVS. Arnett's mom is scheduled to be vaccinated today. Candice Nguyen, NBC Bay Area News.